Hello everyone, I'm Nimi Melvin from Nimisat. Today we are going to do a painting of cornucopia with acrylic paints. So let's start. For this painting I'm using a canvas paper, acrylic paints, brushes, a palette paper for mixing the colors, a cup of water and paper towel. So you can use a Sharpie if you want to outline the drawing. You can find the recommended material list in the description. So let's start the sketching. First we have to draw a big circle in the center of the paper. And at the top we are going to add a triangle like shape, but it is slightly curved this way, and you can make it into a nice shape like this. And add one more circle inside. Then we can add fruits and flowers inside this. So you can add some apples, so just add circles, and some pears, some pomegranates, and I'm going to add one pumpkin inside this. So we have lots of space here, so I'm going to add some grapes, circles and ovals. And some cones with some leaves. And here I'm going to add some cherries and some autumn leaves. Then we can add few lines into this. So just add some curves and few lines into that circle too. So we have completed the rough sketch. So I'm going to take my Sharpie and outline the drawing, and then we will start painting. First we'll paint the basket, and then we can paint the fruits. So I'm going to take these two colors for the basket, dark brown, that is burnt umber, and yellow ochre. So we can do this part with burnt umber. Then I'm going to mix these two colors together to get a lighter brown, burnt umber plus rosy sienna or yellow ochre. Make a light brown with these two colors, and then you can apply it on this one. Then I'm doing the sides with the same color. And then we can add some fresh yellow, light yellow or chrome yellow. Make a very light tone of that color and then apply it here. And take this color and then you can do on these lines. And you can take a Sharpie and outline the drawing, or you can take brown and do these lines. Make some light tone with the same color plus white. And add this to the sides of this basket. So I'm going to do brown line one more time. Now I'm going to paint the fruits and leaves with these colors. So this is orange, light yellow, cadmium red, scarlet red, crimson red, rose, ultramarine blue and sap green. Then we'll add the highlight with white. Okay, I'm going to start with orange. Crimson red for pomegranate. Scarlet red for apples. Purple for the grapes. So I'm mixing rose and ultramarine blue together to get a nice purple color. Cadmium red for cherries. Light yellow for corn. And I'm making a light orange with these two colors, and we're going to apply this for the pear. Light green for this pear. And you can use this color for one leaf. And some orange color for this leaf. Make a light green with more yellow and light green, and that is for these leaves. So we have completed one layer of all the colors. So if you want, you can apply one more time, and after that we will do highlighting with white and lighter colors. I'm going to apply a tiny bit more scarlet red on this because that's looking really dark. So I'm going to add some scarlet red at the top. And I'm going to take crimson for this cherries, only on the sides of the cherry, one side and this line. Again, I'm going to use crimson for the shadows on the apple, just one line there, one line there, and one line for the shadow. Just a shadow, and then same color one more time, scarlet red. Dark orange only on the sides of this pumpkin. Again, these leaves need one more layer of color. Now we'll do white highlights with a small brush. I have completed painting the whole thing, and if you want to add a shadow, take grey color, make a light tone of grey with more white. A grey that is close to white. You can complete it without the shadow too. This leaf is not touching the ground, but still you can do a shadow with an oval shape, close to that, but without touching that leaf. Okay, so that will show that gap. So just check everything, and if you want one more layer of color anyway, you can do now. So I'm going to make this grapes extra dark with the same color, not everywhere, some areas. I have completed my painting. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.